Hi, I'm Joryn Jenkins, and I'm talking about the collaborative divorce posters that I've created to help our clients get through a collaborative divorce in a more efficient and emotionally satisfying way. This is my Divorce in a Day poster, and a lot of people have said to me, you can't really do a divorce in a day, and they're right. We don't really do the divorce in a day, but I'll explain, and you'll see what I mean. So, all right, the clients meet with their lawyers. Maybe I did a consult, and then maybe I met with the spouse and explained the different process choices, and we got them to both agree. Or maybe the spouse went home with one of my handheld sheets, my giveaway posters, and explained the divorce choices to her spouse, and he chose to go collaborative, and he went and got his lawyer. In any event, the clients meet with their lawyers and talk about the process and possibly sign the participation agreement if the lawyers have talked to each other already. And then they give the clients homework to do. So the clients collect information, they do their homework, they move down the pipeline, and eventually they meet with the facilitator. The facilitator has been chosen by the lawyers, presumably, and they may meet with the facilitator together or separately. It's the facilitator's choice, and it's also the client's choice. But they meet with the facilitator, and the facilitator may give them some homework to do. In fact, almost always the facilitator will have given them some homework to do. They may have been given the homework ahead of time. They may have contacted the facilitator by email and gotten the homework that way. Then they'll also meet with the financial neutral. Now, will they meet with the facilitator first and then the financial neutral, or the financial neutral first? It doesn't much matter. Generally speaking, they'll meet with the facilitator first so the facilitator can clue us all in as to any hot buttons they might have and what their true goals and interests are for their future lives separately. Then they'll meet with the financial neutral, and there too they'll get homework to do if they haven't already gotten it from the lawyers or by email from the financial neutral. They'll meet either together or separately. Again, it's their choice and the financial neutral's choice. And then they'll go away and they'll do any follow-up homework they need to do. And they may do this and then email with the neutrals or email with the lawyers. So there's a lot of email going on. And I can't really tell you how long this takes in any given case. I can tell you that I have done this divorce in a day in a 3-hour full team meeting, and it took us about 3 weeks to get to here. So they were doing their homework, and they were, in this particular case I'm thinking of, they were restrained by the fact that the mom, and so there were multi-issues in this case. The mom was a school teacher, and so her schedule was a little bit retarded by the fact that she was in school, stuck in school doing schoolwork 7 hours a day, 5 days a week. At this point, they've done all their homework. They get together. They may finalize their parenting plan without a full team meeting. They may finalize their financial affidavits without a full team meeting. They may finalize their ED worksheets without a full team meeting. If these professionals have been able to work well with them outside of a full team meeting, they'll get a lot of work done outside of the full team meeting, and eventually they will get together and attend that final full team meeting. Now, in the one that we did, that I am thinking of with the school teacher, Dad walked into the room, and about halfway through the meeting he goes, "Well, I'm not paying child support," at which point he and his lawyer excused themselves and had a conversation, because this was definitely emotionally, not legally, but emotionally and by necessity, it was a child support case. He was fairly wealthy, and Mom was going to continue to be a school teacher. And so there was going to be support needed to help raise their child. But so it wasn't that this was an easy case. Don't get me wrong. And I've done it more than once. I think this was my third time meeting, and actually we thought that we could do it in one meeting. We weren't positive. So you can't guarantee that it'll be a divorce in a day, but you can certainly have that goal in mind and aim for that finish line. And we did, and we were successful.